Welcome back. In this session, we are diving into the applicability of AI and its impact on software developers, along with what the future holds. We will explore current trends, industry statistics, and wrap up with whether starting a coding career is still a solid choice. We will uncover the facts on how AI is impacting the developer's job and how secure it is to start a career as a developer in the current scenario. At the end of this video, you would be able to build your understanding on current impacts on AI in software development roles. You would be able to share your thoughts on AI's angle on software development industry. So let's get started. AI is revolutionizing software development in multiple ways. According to a 2023 report by Markets and Markets, the AI in the software market is projected to reach $108 billion by 2027, growing at a CAGR of 28%. This growth reflects AI's increasing integration into various aspects of software development. AI tools like GitHub, Copilot, and ChatGPT are already transforming how developers code. These tools offer code suggestion, help debug errors, and automate repetitive tasks, making development faster and more efficient. A 2023 survey by Stack Overflow revealed that 50% of developers are now using AI-based tools to aid in their code efforts. I am going to classify the discussion in three sections. Number one is current AI impacts on software development and developers' role. Number two is future trends and AI's impact on developers. And number three, should you start a coding career in this situation? Let's talk about the first one, current AI impacts on software developers and developers' role. The first thing is that increased productivity. AI tools help developers write code more efficient. For an instance, GitHub Copilot uses AI to suggest entire code snippet based on comments and existing code, reducing the time spent on writing boilerplate code. This boosts in productivity allows developers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. The code quality and maintenance. AI can assist in improving code quality by identifying potential bugs and offering optimization suggestions. Tools like Deep Code analyze code for vulnerabilities and provide recommendations, helping developers write more secure and maintainable code. Learning and adaptation. AI tools also help developers learn new technologies and languages. For example, interactive AI-based coding platforms provide instant feedback and explanations, accelerating the learning process for new developers. These were a couple of AI current situations or impacts in current scenarios of AI. Let's talk about future trends. So in future, we can foresee many things like AI-assisted development environment. Future development environment will likely to integrate more advanced AI capabilities, providing real-time suggestion, auto-generating codes, and even predicting potential project roadblocks. According to a 2024 report by Forrester, 40% of enterprises are expected to adopt AI-driven development environment by 2026. We have also evolving skills requirement. As AI tools become more prevalent, developers will need to adapt their skill sets. AI can handle routine tasks. Developers will need to focus on higher level skills such as system architecture, ethical consideration, and integration of AI solutions into business process. We have also collaboration with AI. The future will see a more collaborative relationship between developers and AI. AI will act as a partner, enhancing human capabilities rather than replacing them. Developers will increasingly work alongside AI to solve complex problems and drive innovations. As we have discussed two things, the present and the future, let's talk about should you start a career of coding at this juncture, at this point in this situation or not. Now you might be wondering, is it still worth starting a coding career at this age of AI? The answer is resounding yes. And here is why this yes. The number one is foundation of innovation. Coding skills are fundamental for understanding and leveraging AI technologies. As AI tools evolve, having a strong coding foundation will be essential for developing, customizing, and integrating these tools effectively. That's where it is important to have, or that's where we can have still coding career. The second point is expanding opportunity. The demand of skilled developers is growing, driven by increasing reliance on AI and technology across various industries. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment for software developer is projected to grow by 22% from 2020 to 2030, much faster than the average for other professions. So this is again a good news. The third thing is career resilience. Coding provides a versatile skill set that can adapt to technological changes. As AI transforms the industry, developers with coding enterprises will be better equipped to navigate and shape the future of technology. These 3 points that we have discussed are sufficient enough to tell us whether we should start our coding career or not. The answer is, of course, yes. Let's move towards the conclusion. AI is profoundly impacting software development, enhancing productivity, code quality, and learning opportunities. While it's changing the nature of development work, it's also creating new opportunities and demanding new skills. Starting a coding career remains a smart move, offering a solid foundation for leveraging AI and thriving a rapidly evolving tech landscape. AI is getting smarter. It can write code, debug, and even suggest optimization, but the catch is AI can assist. It lacks the creative problem-solving instincts and adaptability of a human developer. Developers don't just code, they understand the complex business needs, collaborate, and innovate in a ways that AI can't replicate. So it's more like a power-up for developers, making them faster and more efficient, but never taking their place. So developers really need not worry on that front, and you can freely start your career as coding. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this session insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates and discussions. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious.